Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Hindi video class. Today I am going to explain the new story ma. It is very interesting story ma. Before going to story, I want to show you one picture. Okay children? Okay. See this picture ma. See this picture. What is this picture name ma? Very good. Cat. What is this picture name ma? Cat. This lesson is about cat ma. Okay. For cat, what we called in Hindi? Hindi we call cat Billy. We call Billy. Okay. Now the lesson name is Billy Mousy. What is the lesson name children? Billy Mousy. Now all of you open page number 12. बच्चों पुष्ट संख्या 12 खोलिए. Okay. This is very interesting story ma. Interesting lesson. Now see lesson number 3. Billy Mousy. Billy means cat. Billy means children cat. Mousy means the maternal aunt. Maternal aunt means your mother's sister. Children, your mother's sister. Okay, called the maternal aunt. In this story, cat what the cat called ma? The maternal aunt. Here the cat called the maternal aunt. Okay. Now see, I am reading the full story ma. Listen first. See ma, where I am reading, keep finger and listen and see. बिल्ली चतुरसयानी भूखी डोल रही थी. बिल्ली चतुरसयानी भूखी डोल रही थी. चूहा मिल जाए तो खाऊं मन में सोच रही थी. बिल्ली चतुरसयानी भूखी डोल रही थी. चूहा मिल जाए तो खाऊं मन में सोच रही थी. तभी दिखाई पड़ा अचानक चूहा बिल से बाहर आया. तभी दिखाई पड़ा अचानक चूहा बिल से बाहर आया. उसे देख बिल्ली के मुंह में पानी आया. उसे देख बिल्ली के मुंह में पानी आया. बिल्ली चतुरसयानी भूखी डोल रही थी. चूहा मिल जाए तो खाऊं मन में सोच रही थी. तभी दिखाई पड़ा अचानक चूहा बिल से बाहर आया. उसे देख बिल्ली के मुंह में पानी आया. Now next page. Next page, page number 13. Open 13. Open page number 13 children. 13 1 3 13. बोली मेरे प्यारे चूहे मैं आऊं मैं आऊं. बोली मेरे प्यारे चूहे मैं आऊं मैं आऊं. चूहा बोला ठहरो मौसी मैं बिल में छिप जाऊं. चूहा बोला ठहरो मौसी मैं बिल में छिप जाऊं. तभी आ गया शेरू कुत्ता लगा भौंकने भौ भौ. तभी आ गया शेरू कुत्ता लगा भौंकने भौ भौ. भागी बिल्ली लगी सोचने अब कैसे जान बचाऊं. भागी बिल्ली लगी सोचने अब कैसे जान बचाऊं. बोली मेरे प्यारे चूहे मैं आऊं मैं आऊं. चूहा बोला ठहरो मौसी मैं बिल में छिप जाऊं. तभी आ गया शेरू कुत्ता लगा भौंकने भौ भौ. भागी बिल्ली लगी सोचने अब कैसे जान बचाऊं. How is it, children? Nice. Okay, good. See, now one by one I am explaining you. Now the first part ma, first one. बिल्ली चतुर सयानी भूखी डोल रही थी. बिल्ली means what ma? Cat. चतुर सयानी, चतुर means clever, सयानी intelligent, भूखी hungry, ढोल wandering. बिल्ली चतुर सयानी भूखी ढोल रही थी. A clever, cunning and hungry cat was wandering. Here who is hungry, children? Billy. Billy. The cat was hungry. Who is the cat ma? Clever. Clever, cunning and intelligent cat. Okay. So the cat was hungry ma, and she was wandering. For what? For food. Okay. Then what happened? चूहा मिल जाए तो खाऊं मन में सोच रही थी. Then what she was thinking, children? She was thinking in her mind. Who is thinking in her mind? Cat. The cat was thinking in her mind. What she was thinking? If there is a rat, I will eat it. So children, here the cat was very hungry. So she was wandering here and there. Then what happened? She was thinking in her mind. What she is thinking, children? If there is a cat, I will eat it. What she is thinking in her mind? Here who is thinking? Cat. What she is thinking, children? If there is a rat, I will eat it. Like that the cat was thinking. Why she was thinking? Because the cat was hungry. बिल्ली चतुर सयानी भूखी डोल रही थी. चूहा मिल जाए तो खाऊं मन में सोच रही थी. Here a clever, cunning and hungry cat was wandering. She was thinking in her mind. What she was thinking, children? If there is a rat, I will eat it. Like that the cat was thinking. Okay. Now the next one. तभी दिखाई पड़ा अचानक. अचानक मीन्स सडनली. तभी दिखाई पड़ा अचानक. चूहा बिल से बाहर आया. चूहा मीन्स what means? See children in this picture. See, this is चूहा. चूहा means rat. चूहा means rat. तभी दिखाई पड़ा अचानक. चूहा बिल से बाहर आया. बिल means hole. Generally the rats live in holes only, no ma? So just तभी दिखाई पड़ा, just then, अचानक suddenly, she saw a rat coming out a hole. Who saw a rat coming out a hole? Yes, cat. Cat saw a rat coming out a hole. Okay. Just then suddenly she saw a rat coming out a hole. Here she means cat ma. The cat saw a rat coming out a hole. Rat means चूहा. Rat means children चूहा. उसे देख बिल्ली के मुंह में पानी आया. मुंह means mouth. मुंह means mouth. पानी means water. Then what happened, children? The water came in her mouth. Whose mouth? Cat. The water came in her mouth when she saw the rat. Who saw the rat here? The cat. The cat saw the rat. Then what happened? The water came in her mouth. See children, when we are going to vacation functions means if we saw the delicious means something delicious like gulab jam, whatever it is, we saw the delicious foods means food means what we feel our mouth also water. Like that when the cat saw the rat, what happened? The water came in her mouth. तभी दिखाई पड़ा अचानक चूहा बिल से बाहर आया. उसे देख बिल्ली के मुंह में पानी आया. Just then suddenly what happened? She saw a rat coming out a hole. Who saw a rat? Cat. The cat saw a rat coming out a hole. Then what happened? The water came in her mouth. Whose mouth ma? Cat's mouth came water. Why? Because she saw the rat. Next. बोली मेरे प्यारे चूहे मैं आऊँ मीन्स आई कम आई आऊँ कम ओके चिल्ड्रन माई मीन्स आई आऊँ कम बोली मेरे प्यारे चूहे मैं आऊँ सी हियर माई डियर rat I come said the cat. Here who said ma? The cat said. For whom she said ma? For the rat. My dear rat I come like that. Who said here? The cat said to rat. I come like that. The cat said to rat. चूहा बोला ठहरो मौसी मैं बिल में छिप जाऊं. देन ठहरो मीन्स स्टॉप. चूहा बोला स्टॉप माई मैटरनल ऑन्ट. हियर माई मैटरनल ऑन्ट मीन्स हु मा? कैट. ओके माई मैटरनल ऑन्ट मीन्स इन द स्टोरी हु मा maternal aunt? Cat. Okay. Stop, my maternal aunt. I will hide in my hole, said the rat. What the rat said to cat ma? Stop, my maternal aunt. I will hide in my hole, said the rat. Okay, my dear rat, I come, said the cat. बोली मेरे प्यारे चूहे मैं आऊँ My dear rat I come said the cat. For whom the cat said ma? For the rat. Then what the rat said? Stop my maternal aunt. Mousy. Maternal aunt means mousy. Stop I will hide in my hole, said the rat. For whom the rat said? For maternal aunt, Mousy. Mousy means cat. Next. Here, see this picture, children. Look at this picture. What is this picture name? Kutta. Kutta means dog. Next. तभी आ गया शेरू कुत्ता लगा भौंकने भाव. Then what happened? Just then Sheru. Who is Sheru here? Sheru means Kuttama. What's the dog's name? Sheru. Who came here now? Just then Sheru the dog came there. Okay, then what happened? And started barking at the cat. Who is barking here, children? Sheru Kutta means dog. Dog's name Sheru. Okay, Sheru Kutta. Then what happened? Sheru Kutta came and started barking at the cat. तभी आ गया शेरू कुत्ता लगा भौंकने भाव. Just then what happened? Sheru the dog came there and started barking at the cat. How the dog barking ma? Bhav like that. The dog barking at the cat. Next. भागी बिल्ली लगी सोचने अब कैसे जान बचाऊं. भागी बिल्ली लगी सोचने अब कैसे जान बचाऊं. भागी मीन्स रैन. भाग मीन्स रैन. सोचना मीन्स सोचने. सोचना मीन्स थिंकिंग. ओके. अब मीन्स नाउ. जान मीन्स लाइफ. ओके. नाउ सी. भागी बिल्ली लगी सोचने अब कैसे जान बचाऊं. द कैट रैन अवे. The cat ran away thinking. What she was thinking? How can I save my life now? What the cat was thinking, ma? The cat ran away. When the cat saw the barking dog, the cat ran away. And she was thinking. What she was thinking? How can I save my life now? Now, how can I save my life? Like that, the cat thinking and running. Okay. तभी आ गया शेरू कुत्ता, लगा भौंकने भौ भौ. भागी बिल्ली, लगी सोचने अब कैसे जान बचाऊं. Just then what happened, children? Sheru means who is Sheru here? The dog. Sheru, the dog came there. And what happened? And started barking at the cat. Then what the cat did ma? The cat ran away. The cat ran away thinking. What she was thinking? How can I save my life? Like that she is thinking and went away. How can I save my life now? Okay. Who said ma? How can I save my life? Who said this? The cat. Maternal aunt. The cat said this. How can I save my life? Okay, children. Third lesson. Billy, Mousy, cat, the maternal aunt. बिल्ली चतुर सयानी भूखी ढोल रही थी. चूहा मिल जाए तो खाऊं मन में सोच रही थी. तभी दिखाई पड़ा अचानक चूहा बिल से बाहर आया. उसे देख बिल्ली के मुंह में पानी आया. बोली, मेरे प्यारे चूहे, मैं आऊं. चूहा बोला, ठहरो मौसी, मैं बिल में छिप जाऊं. तभी आ गया शेरू कुत्ता, लगा भौंकने भौ भौ. भागी बिल्ली, लगी सोचने अब कैसे जान बचाऊं. Okay, children, do you like this story? Okay, read this story ma. Okay, watch this video and read this story 2-3 times ma. Okay, children. Bye, children.